थी वही माफी होती है।
अच्छा ठीक है।
Thousands of rats came to Hamelin. There were big rats and little rats, thin rats and fat rats. There were rats in all the houses and rats in all the shops. There are rats on my table, said one man. There are rats under my chair, said another man. There are rats in my kitchen, called one woman. There are rats in my bed, shouted another woman. Woman. There are rats all over the house, said a little boy. Make these rats leave the town, cried a little girl. The people of Hamelin went to see the mayor. Make these rats leave the town, they shouted. What can I do? Said the mayor. There are rats in my house too. I have tried and tried to make them leave. They would not go. You must make all the rats leave, the people said. If you do not make them go away, we will choose another mayor. Then one day a strange man went to see the mayor. He was wearing red and yellow clothes and carried a pipe in his hand. I am the Pied Piper, said the strange man, and I can make the rats leave Hamelin. The mayor said, if you can make these rats leave Hamelin, I will give you lots of money. Very well, said the Pied Piper, but do not forget your promise. Then the Pied Piper went into the streets of Hamelin. He began to play a strange tune on his pipe. And the rats heard the most. They stopped to listen. Suddenly one rat followed the Pied Piper, then another rat followed him, and another. Soon all the rats ran after the Pied Piper.
Ah.
And
Ah.
the Pied Piper
What the hell?
The Pied Piper walked toward the river. He was still playing the strange tune on his pipe. The rats followed him and they all jumped into the river. That was the end of the rats in Hamelin.
R.I.P.
The Pied Piper went back to see the mayor. The rats have all gone, he said. Can I have my money now, please? No, said the mayor. I have no money to give you. Frank हो गया आपके साथ. If you do not give me money, said the Pied Piper, I will play a different tune and you will not be very happy. If you want to play another tune, I won't stop you, said the mayor. So the Pied Piper went out into the street and he began to play a different tune. In all houses and in all streets, the children stopped playing. Then one by one, they started to follow the Pied Piper. Kidnapper. The people of Hamelin told the children to stop, but the children did not hear them. They followed the Pied Piper through the streets of the town and across the bridge.
रिवर या
They-
ब्रिज?
ब्रिज लिखा हुआ है
इधर है.
यार. ब्रिज लिखा है. ब्रिज लिखा है.
अच्छा भाई, अच्छा जूम ही इतना मैंने किया हुआ है.
माशाल्लाह.
जूम.
They followed the Pied Piper out of the town and up a mountain.
एनी छोटी लाइन.
Suddenly the mountain opened and the Pied Piper went inside it. The children followed him inside the mountain. There was a beautiful land full of trees and full of flowers and birds. But one little boy had a broken leg and could not walk as fast as the other children. He saw his friends go into the mountain, but he was not fast enough to follow them. The mountains closed again. Bichara langda. The little boy went back to the town. My friends are inside the mountain with the Pied Piper. He said to the mayor, they will never come back.
और भाई मेरे की तस्वीर तो देख.
Buddha Baba. The people of Hamelin were very sad. Where have our children gone? They shouted to the mayor. You must go and find them. यार है ना तो बस ना चले बेचारे मेयर नु फड़ के दी धोन तोड़ दे. So the mayor went to look for the children. He looked for years and years and years. He's still looking for them now.
अब एक्सरसाइज आ गई है.
हाथी राजा आओ ना हलवा पूरी का